Okay, so today I will be answering the question, do you pay taxes on a home you inherited from your parents or loved one? Now, I'm not a tax professional, so I want to preface this video with that. However, according to multiple sources, including the NJ tax website, the government website, the official website, most people will be exempt from estate taxes, right? The reason being is because on the state level, estate tax was eliminated in January of 2018, right? So if you passed away after that, you are not liable for estate tax. Now, on the federal level, the tax exemption is 13.6 million per person, or 27.2 million for a married couple, which means if grandma, grandpa, auntie, uncle, mommy, daddy, or whoever wasn't very wealthy, didn't have tens of millions of dollars, you're probably going to be exempt, right? So, most cases, there are no automatic inheritance tax that comes with your newly inherited home. Now, as with any pro, there's always a con, right? So to speak, black and white, just the duality of things, right? There are things that come with as far as expenses goes with your new inherited home, but you might already know those already, which includes like an annual property tax, right? And then if you want to sell the property, you're almost always going to have to pay a realty transfer fee, right? I covered capital gains in another video, whether or not you have to pay capital gains tax on inherited property. But this property is just answering the question, do you have to pay taxes on a home that your parent or loved one left for you? And the answer is most cases, no. So again, not a tax professional. I urge you guys to do your own research, talk to a tax professional, talk to a probate administration, elder attorney, an estate planning attorney. Talk to people in that realm specifically who are well versed on these topics, just so you can get a better understanding of your potential or non-existent tax bill. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video, subscribe, comment if you got any good information, comment if you know about taxes and you like, yeah, this is a decent video. Thank you guys for watching.